360-degree cameras are notoriously complicated. The idea behind the GoPro Fusion is to simplify both shooting and editing 360 footage, while still giving you high-quality results. We asked our friend, adventure photographer Ali Nicholas, to join DPReview's Kerry Rose for a day of exploring Seattle with the GoPro Fusion to test out how the camera works. The team started their morning with coffee, overlooking the Seattle skyline from a rental houseboat. Ali familiarized herself with the Fusion and its twin lenses, and the GoPro app. The app uses the smartphone's accelerometer to give an accurate field of view as the phone is panned around. You can preview, trigger and export your stills or video, and publish straight to social media. The Fusion is also capable of capturing 18-megapixel RAW photos. Once saved locally, you can shift the point of view to grab a portion of the frame. You can also create a little planet image that depicts the entire scene as if viewed from above. Once captured, footage can be viewed in GoPro's Fusion Studio software as well, where perspective can be controlled using sliders for field of view, yaw, pitch, and roll. There are slider controls for color as well. We exported our footage for use with the official GoPro plugins during editing in Adobe Premiere. Ali and Kerry were itching to get outdoors, so they hopped on their bikes and set off for adventure. We mounted a Fusion on Ali's bike and joined the throngs of morning commuters. Here we're capturing video at 5.2K resolution and 30 frames per second. The standout feature of the Fusion is overcapture, which is the ability to record a wide field of view and easily decide later on which part of the frame you want to use. This allows videos to be edited quickly on the fly. Stabilization is a key feature of GoPro cameras, and with the Fusion, our ride looked smooth. After a busy morning, it was time for a midday hot tub. Boat. Cruising around Seattle's Lake Union, the team got to really explore the Fusion, shooting video and stills both handheld and using the Fusion grip. With keyframes added in post, the Fusion provides a tremendous amount of control over the point of view, which can be changed mid-shot in any direction. Just remember that while shooting, you're recording everything around you, cameraman included. The Fusion can also capture bursts of 18-megapixel stills, which we tested with some lakeside acrobatics. We mentioned the Fusion is waterproof, right? Back on land and back on their bikes, the team raced through Seattle Center to the next destination. Jarba, a restaurant nearby Seattle's Pike Place market. Over coffee, waiting for the food to arrive, Kerry and Ali streamed footage captured earlier using the GoPro app. With overcapture, you can edit footage in real time by moving the phone to pan or using your finger to set the frame. Next stop, the market itself. Pike Place is a destination on its own, but the nearby gum wall is not to be missed. Though the Fusion struggled a little bit in this low-light environment, it was fun to get ultra close to our subject, a wall covered in old, hardened chewing gum, for a dramatic, wide-angle 3D effect. After the hustle and bustle of the market, the team jumped back on their bikes and pedaled off to the beach to meet friends. Golden Gardens is one of the most popular waterside spots in Seattle, featuring warm sand, fire pits, and one of the best sunset views in town. Being such a small camera, putting the Fusion up high, or down low, to get a new perspective is easy to do. With the Fusion, you have to think just a little bit differently about capturing your images. And so, as the sun set on food and friends, the crew kicked back and let the Fusion capture the moment. It was a quintessential Seattle summer day, and the Fusion was there helping us capture memories worth sharing. Until next time, I'm Barney with DPReview. Thanks for watching.